Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome to my last video of 2020. And of course had to be henna because henna had made a major change on my hair this past year. So I'm really excited to end this year with the henna video and give it a big shout out, because some of you may know that I had a very crazy allergic reaction to chemical hair dye before. So I switched to using only natural ingredients to color my hair. And guys, my hair never been that healthy and smooth and soft. I'm super grateful that I made that change. I'm actually going to link all my henna videos in the info box below, because I shared my stories with the allergic reaction in a video with the henna process in that video as well. And I have 2 or 3 other videos with the henna process, and I talked a lot about the henna benefits. So I'm linking all my henna videos in the info box for you if you want to check them out, because we are trying something different in this video. I actually tried it before, but this time I'm filming it. Last time I did the henna, I mixed my own ingredients because I wanted to make like a deep conditioning hair mask. So I got 2 in 1. Not only I colored my hair, I actually deep conditioned my hair at the same time, and I was so happy with the results that I really wanted to make a video on it. So in this video I'm sharing this recipe with you guys. But before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all that being said, let's hop right in. Alright guys, so this is the brand I'm using today, and I'm mixing black and brown together. As you can see, I find the brown henna gives me a lot of red tone, so mixing it with the black, I think it definitely gives me a nice balance. Each box had 4 little packages of henna, so I mixed 5 of the brown henna to 3 black. I think next time I'm going to do 50-50. I found henna doesn't dry out your hair if you prepare it right, and it all depends on how you prepare it and the ingredients you add to the mix. Coffee gives the dye a richer tint, so you'll see I add a lot of different kinds of coffee. Today I'm adding instant coffee and Arabic coffee powder. It is also going to help us get a better base. I added cacao and a couple of teaspoons of cinnamon powder because cinnamon neutralizes the smell of henna significantly. Now I'm adding yogurt. It is considered as the best conditioner, so this and the olive oil what's going to make this henna mix super conditioning hair mask. You also need lemon. Now for some people lemon could be very drying to the hair, so you can substitute it with cranberry juice or pomegranate juice. These are good for antioxidants and acidity. They have plenty acidic for dye release, and they don't dry your hair. But don't add it to the henna yet. We put it in right before we're going to apply it to our hair. I'm also adding apple cider vinegar, and I should have mentioned that you should only use plastic, wood or glass utensil. You can't use any metal with henna, and also all the ingredients will be listed in the info box for you. I used hot, strong brewed coffee today for my liquid, but you can use just water or black tea. I add my liquid coffee slowly, mix it in until I get a pudding consistency. Once you're happy with the consistency, you can cover it and let it sit for 2 hours. It needs to go through the dye release process for best results. So you can take this time to get yourself ready, get your place ready where you're going to apply the henna, and please shampoo your hair to remove impurities and excess oil before applying the henna. Okay guys, so we are here in my bathroom. I'll show you in just a minute, but I'm ready. I washed my hair and I got ready. I'm just checking on my henna to see how it's doing. It's been resting for 2 hours and a half, maybe a little bit over that. So I think I'm ready right now to apply it on my hair. So the lemon juice, you add it to your henna right before you apply it to your hair. So I'm going to do that right now. This is the lemon I showed you guys. I used it all. Just mixing that in. I think the consistency is back to perfect right now. As you saw, it was a little bit thick as it sat down for a while, but the lemon definitely helped it to go back to more pancake consistency. Before I get started, I'm going to show you my quick setup over here. I have the henna bowl already inside the bathtub, and I think I'm going to sit inside as well so we can contain the mess. I have a little mirror in front of me, my gloves, my plastic cap over here. I'm going to set the camera right here and we're going to get started. I decided to section my hair off starting from the back this time. I usually start from the front and work my way to the back because I usually feel like I don't have enough henna to cover all my hair, and if I run out and I have a few sections in the back, that's alright. But today I made sure I have plenty of henna to coat everything, so I get my roots first and then I run the henna down to the ends of my hair. Remember, you have to apply henna to freshly washed hair because if you have oil or dirt, it can actually prevent the henna from binding to the hair. So like I said, I washed my hair with just shampoo. I didn't put any conditioner in it. You want the hair to be very pure, clean and wet. And guys, you definitely need to wear gloves because the henna will stain your skin and nails. The henna box that I used today, I showed you guys, it didn't come with shower cap, and each box only had one glove, like just for one hand. I know I opened a few boxes, but I still wanted to use my own gloves because they are more comfortable for me to work with, and I bought my own shower cap from Target too. So like you see, I'm just being very generous with the application, and I'm just making sure my scalp and all my hair is very well coated. Don't worry, if you miss a spot, it will shine bright and you'll see it. Once henna is all on, you can cover your hair with plastic wrap or shower cap and let it sit for at least 3 hours. I wear a beanie too just to keep the henna nice and warm because it will process faster and better this way. I left it in my hair today for a good 5 hours and then I washed it off. And I had to show you guys how messy this henna treatment is, so you're definitely not gonna be bored, and this time you're waiting for the henna to process. You can use this time to clean your bathtub, so we can use it again right now for mermaid bath. Now henna takes a while to remove from your hair. 3 minutes of rinsing is not enough. You need like 10 to 25 minutes. It's very necessary depending on how thick or how long your hair is. So I decided to do a mermaid bath today to wash it out, and this is where you just fill up the bathtub with water and then you dunk your hair in, and this is really allows the henna to come out much easier than just rinsing it in the shower. And voila guys, now that mermaid bath you just saw, I think really helped me to rinse out my henna quicker this time. I think the rinsing with the letting the hair soak in the water in the bathtub and rinsing it on the faucet with the water, fresh water is running on my scalp, it really helped me get all that debris out of my hair, and it was really nice. I will do it again next time I do henna. And I conditioned my hair, put some conditioner in it, and I put it up because if you know anything about me, I can't come out of the shower and have more stuff to clean. So I put my hair up with the conditioner and I took a few minutes. I had already like sponge ready with some dish soap. I wiped down my bathtub really quickly, I rinsed it, then I hopped in the shower to take a normal shower, and for the first time I shampooed my hair. Now I know I said it before and everyone will tell you don't shampoo your hair the first time you wash it after henna. I know, but I think this time because I put a lot of olive oil in it, it felt not like greasy, but you can tell it has oil in it, like it was like slimy, something like that. So I shampoo it really quickly. I usually let the shampoo sit on my hair for a little bit. This time I didn't. I really rinsed it right away off and then I deep condition it one more time, and that's it. I rinsed it, came out, and I didn't shampoo it until after the next day. I took a normal shower and shampoo it really quickly, like really nice. I think I did 2 shampoo to 1 conditioner. And as you can see, my hair is shiny and really well conditioned, doesn't feel dry thanks to the olive oil and the yogurt we put into it. It smells very beautiful and earthy. Now, I mentioned in my previous videos that henna only brings out the red tone of your hair. Pure henna only deposits red color on your hair. So if you have a gray or white hair, it will turn like copper to red burgundy color. So if you want to achieve like darker brown color or black, you have to mix the henna with the indigo. Now, I really want to try the indigo. I'm very sure I'm going to try it soon, but so far, because like I said, I don't really have that many gray hair. I only have few strings that when I do the henna, they get very nice tan with burgundy, like red, and because all of the rest of my hair still have that natural color, so they blend very well with it. You can't really tell, and it looks like highlight. So I really like it. I'm not ready yet to give it away, but I am planning on trying the indigo, and I will film it for you guys the first time I try the indigo, I promise. Now, if you are nervous, the best way to tell what your hair will look like is to take a little bit of your hair from your hairbrush and do the henna process on it, with the same time, and rinse it and see this. You can use it as a test, and it really works. I did that before and it really works. I also find my hair, after the first few washes, it has gorgeous burgundy highlights that you can really see under the sun. But however, after like a month or so from washing my hair regularly, you can see the henna left a very natural rich brown color, and has very natural tones that you just don't get with the chemical hair dyes. I just love this color, and like I said, my hair feels thicker, smoother and softer, and best of all, it's healthier. So I think that's a huge plus for me. So I'm really happy with the results, and I think I'll do the same thing again when I do henna. I'm going to mix my ingredients because it made a huge difference. I feel truly henna can be dry to your hair, so add in the yogurt and the olive oil. I think next time I'm going to add maybe essential oils as well. But I think that does it for this video, guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed it, and please, if you did, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. We have more videos to come in the next year, and I would love to have you as a viewer to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you all have a wonderful new year. I will see you in 2021 very soon with a brand new video. Bye. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.